You wanna know why you keep extra parts? Everything looks good, right? The blade. Look here, it's got a magnifying glass. It's got a Phillips head screwdriver. Get it open. See that? And it's got a bunch of stuff in this. I even got a pair of scissors or shears. They work good. Everything works good. Except it don't have the cover for the handle. So I reach inside my little toolbox here. There it is. The handles for my Victorinoxes. I only gave 15 bucks for this knife. So let's see if we can't find one. Might work right there. Should just pop on there. Just like that. How about that? Victorinox. Now it's worth $35. That's why you keep extra parts.